name is Kylie Howarth and I am the author and illustrator of Fish Kid and the Lizard Ninja. And this is Bo. Say hi, Bo.
Hi.
Today we're going to draw another creature from Fish Kid, and it's going to be a sea lion. Now, sea lions are really tricky to draw, but lots of kids have been asking me to do a video on sea lions. So we're going to have a go, but if yours doesn't work out and if mine doesn't work out, don't worry about it. We're just having a play today. Okay, so grab your pencil, Bo. First we're going to start by blocking in the shapes, the basic shapes of the sea lion. So we're going to draw an oval around about here on our page. Oval shape here, and that's going to be his head. So you can draw that lightly with your pencil. I'll do it dark so you can see.
I'm doing it dark.
That's okay. And then we're going to get our black textures in a minute. So once you've done your oval, we're going to start at the edge of our oval there and come down and draw a triangle shape and back up to our oval. So that's going to be his body shape. Good, yours has got a nice rounded body. He's going to need quite a rounded shape there in the end. Okay, now we can get our black textures. Okay, don't worry about it, it's okay. We're going to draw a little upside down triangle for his nose, right at the bottom of the oval that we drew. And we can colour that in. Upside down triangle. Great job, Bo. And colour it in.
Is that too close? Is mine too?
Doesn't matter. No, that's fine. This is a really tricky drawing project we're going to do today. Great. Okay, now their mouths are almost like a dog. So we're going to go down, around, and up. Down, around, and up. That's it.
Is that too?
It doesn't matter if it follows the oval shape or not. That's just a bit of a guide as to where his head's going to be. That's why we do it. And we can rub the pencil out later. Okay, and we're going to give him some dots down there on either side of his mouth. Cute, Bo. And some big whiskers that droop down. Big droopy whiskers for our sea lion.
I'm sad.
He's cute. Okay, we better give him some eyes. 2 dots up here, 1 dot there, 1 dot there for his eyes. Great, and then we're going to finish off his head. So we're going to follow that shape that we've already drawn up and over the top of his head and back down to the other side. Yours looks like a real character. And some eyebrows. There we go. A couple of eyebrows. He's a happy sea lion today.
Yeah. Not an angry sea
And
lion.
one thing that we can't forget to draw are ears. So they've got tiny little ears, one little one there. Okay, so we've drawn our little ears in. And the reason we have to put those ears in, because that's how we can tell it's a sea lion. Seals don't have ears. Okay, so now we're going to draw his front arms or flippers. So let's start about here on our triangle. And we're going to go down and then do a backwards L underneath our body shape. That's it.
That's not the way that L goes.
And then we're going to, no, it's backwards. So then we're going to draw a little line back in here. See the bottom? Back along the bottom to the beginning of that line. That's it, great. And now about halfway along that shape that we've drawn, or the bottom of the L, we're going to draw a line back up to his body. There. Okay, now we're going to do another one. We're going to start another leg just next to it and go down, and we're going to do an L the right way this time. And then bring it back in to there.
Like that?
Yep.
All the way. Because then I could just go up.
All the way back into here. That's it. And then halfway along again, bring the line up and all the way up to his head to finish his body. All the way up to there. Oh, if you don't, you can start your body here. So start along here and draw all the way up to his head. Great. Okay, now we're going to draw his neck. So we're going to really roughly follow this triangle shape. I'm going to give him a bit more of a rounded bottom than the triangle. So his neck starts just below his ear, and we're going to draw down and then round his bottom and stop about there where his bottom would touch the ground. Good. Now we're going to draw in his back legs or flippers. So they're a funny triangle shape. So we're going to draw down like this, and we're going to go wiggle, 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 and then back up. Wiggle, 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 back up. Now we're going to fit in another one.
That was about to be flat.
Down, wiggle, 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 and back up.
Down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
That's okay. Back up. And now we're going to join his body, and we're going to do the bottom of his body, but stop when we get to that flipper. We don't want to draw all the way through that flipper, so we're going to just draw along there and stop as soon as we get to that flipper. Great job! Now we can put some little lines in on his flippers. Yep, and some on the other one. There we go, he looks pretty good.
Yeah, you said flippers, so.
He looks really good. You did a great job. These are really, really hard to draw. I have to draw them lots and lots of times to get them right. Well done, Bo. I'm going to read you some facts about sea lions from our Fish Kid and the Lizard Ninja book. The Galapagos sea lions are the largest endemic land animal in the Galapagos Islands. So they're the largest animal that lives on the land there, that are native to the area.
Is the second that one?
The marine iguana. I reckon you might be right. I think so.
That's the second.
Yeah, probably. Also, the Galapagos sea lions are pinnipeds. Pinnipeds, which means they are fin-footed, like seals and walruses. They have ear flaps, which we just drew his ears in. Ear flaps, which is how you can tell sea lions apart from seals, because seals don't have those little ears, they just have little holes. And the last fact about sea lions, in Spanish, are called lobos marinos.
But that's weird.
Or, do you know what that means in Spanish? I probably said it incorrectly. It means a sea wolf. They're called sea wolves. Isn't that interesting?
Oh,
yeah. Okay, let's hold up our pictures and show everybody how we went, Bo.
Wolves go into the water.
There we go. Hooray! Hope you had fun drawing a sea lion. Well done, Bo. Great job. I love yours. You've got so much personality.